This is a review of 2-year smart video doorbell. This is a 2-megapixel video doorbell that delivers full high-definition video. This is a smart video doorbell, and this is a wireless chain receiver. The smart video doorbell has a removable bracket. After we take it off, we can see the doorbell uses batteries. Additionally, it has other designs such as anti-temp switch, DC 5 voltage micro USB for recharging, DC power input, and a micro SD card slot for local video storage. The smart video doorbell comes with 2 pieces 18650 batteries. The next, we are going to use it. After we put the bar, it's quite simple to use to set up the smart video doorbell. We just need to reset it, and it will be ready for setup. The next, we should download and use the Smart Life or 2-year Smart app. It is quite easy to link the 2-year Smart video doorbell to the root. You just input the Wi-Fi password, and the software will automatically generate a QR code. And then you're using smart video doorbell to scan the QR code to establish the connection. The entire procedure takes less than 1 minute, and I think the successful rate is probably 99%. And this method is much superior than other methods. After the camera is online, we are able to use it. We are able to watch the real-time video instantly. Now, in addition to the video, we also can know the Wi-Fi signal level and the battery level on the video. The next, we're going to the smart video doorbell also has rich functions, so you can, such as mirror flip, and you also can remove the time overlay text. Additionally, it has a built-in PIR motion sensor, so it can protect your home away from burglary. When there is people lurking around your house, you will get notified. The night vision, it also supports night vision. The night vision image quality is also good. It has no overexposure problem, and you can see the face clearly when you use it. This smart video doorbell can send you push notification instantly. When the visitor presses the doorbell, we get notified immediately. I think maybe within several seconds. In your last shot, this is a good smart video doorbell.